I think Chase is going to love this
I
present.
don't know.
Hey, Chase, guess what day it is?
What's in there?
What day is it, Chase?
Hey, what day is it?
Oh, day. It's Christmas.
It's Hump Day, too.
What day is it? Wait.
It's Christmas.
All right,
What
baby.
day is it today?
All right, get in there.
What
Look
day
in
is it today? Chase? What day is it today? Chase? Here. Let's get this
Chase.
out.
there. What is it?
Chase. Chase.
What is that? What is it?
Mike.
He's going to cry. You okay?
He's not crying.
I thought you were going to cry.
No, I'm not going to cry then.
Oh, do you like him? You better give Aunt Ashley a big old hug.
Who is that? Is that
Is that
Mike?
Mike?
Is that Mike?
Hey, what day is it? Hey, what day is it? Chase.
What?
Yeah.
It's so cute.
Take the stick off.
You like that camel boy?
Okay.
Go give Ashley a hug.